Excuse me, guys. I have the morning sniffles. Hi, my honey. So I have you guys on my little shelf right here, or I have on my toes. I have to like wipe my nose real quick. It is early in the morning, you guys. It is about gonna be 8 o'clock, so it's like 7:45. I just woke up, like literally just woke up about 5 minutes ago. So let me get you guys off of here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Lovely Mommy, also known as Alicia. Welcome as well. Can you believe that it is already December? Oh my goodness, where has the time gone? How time flies by so quick, and the days go by so quick, and sooner or later it's gonna be Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful morning, a wonderful afternoon, a wonderful evening, whatever time you guys are watching me. It feels so good to get up in the morning and refreshed. I do not like waking up late because I feel like the day, you lose track of your day. Like your day goes by so quick when you wake up late in the morning. So I like to wake up early, have my cup of tea, and enjoy some TV and watch like my shows. Today, you guys, we'll see what today leads. I am not sure what I'm going to be doing today. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a little Christmas shopping or make some delicious Christmas cookies. I really do not know. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go because I am gonna go actually downstairs and see what my husband's doing. And if I didn't mention, today is both my boys' days off. I literally thought you were downstairs. What are you guys watching?
I tried to steal her TV this morning because she was watching the big TV downstairs.
You were a princess?
Anyway, I don't know what.
Hella funny, dude. I said, I'm gonna grab my Xbox and put it in her room. She got up so fast. And then we came up in here. I asked her what she was watching. She said Grey's Anatomy.
Grey's Anatomy? Oh, she's into this.
I never watched this before in my life, but I got hooked.
Hi, my honey. She kept on following me everywhere. Hi, my honey. Where's Chiquita? She's just...
Come here.
Ooh.
Sorry about that.
Ooh. Nightmare Before Christmas. So I ended up doing another one. My princess wants 2 Mickey Mouse pancakes. Like, here's this one. Let me see if you guys can see. This is the best I could do. It's harder than it looks like, you guys, to even try to do Mickey Mouse pancake. But here's the second one that I did. I had to use 2 spatulas in order to turn it because I didn't want it to mess up. She wanted me to add some chocolate chips. The guys don't like chocolate chips in their pancakes. They just had it regular. This is my princess's. I just finished getting ready, me and my princess. As you can tell, we are in the car. I'm actually parked right now in front of my threading place, where I normally get my eyebrows threaded. I do not do wax. No, I do not, because my skin is so sensitive to anything. Wow, my princess is right here with me, all ready and beautiful. I didn't put no makeup on. Yeah, it's okay. Like I said, I do not do any type of like face mask or using wax on my eyebrows. I end up breaking, so I stick to threading, you guys. So as you can see, my eyebrows are literally grown out. Look at that. So that's why I had to wear no makeup, you guys. And yeah, after this, we are actually going to be going Christmas shopping for all the nieces and nephews. That's what our plan is to do. So hopefully the stores are not too packed, because I know it's been hectic in every store that we go to. But yeah, you guys, let me go ahead on and get my eyebrows done. You guys, I wanted to show you before I even get started on driving. I just got out from doing my eyebrows. Let me move this. She did such an amazing job. I love it. Join us as we go shopping for our nieces and nephews. And the adults, I think we're gonna do them last, but today is just the nieces and nephews.
Eventually.
Oh, this black right here. Okay guys, as you can tell, we are at the grocery store right now. We had to come to the grocery store. It was literally so packed at the stores. We went to 2 stores to go do a little Christmas shopping, and we had to come and get a few groceries at the store. And it's packed, like literally everywhere you go, packed to the yin yang. So once we're done with here, I have to get something to eat because the guys are very hungry right now. I'm not sure what we're gonna get. I'm probably gonna buy something out to eat because I'm so tired to even cook anything right now. And we are also gonna be wrapping up the presents as well. Look at my babies. They always want to come with mama. Huh, my baby? You always want to come with mama in the room, huh? Because you see Chiquita? Chiquita's right here. Chiquita always want to come with mama. Huh, you want to come mommy on the bed, huh, mama baby? Look at my girls. Look at my girls. As you guys can see, the gifts are all right there, you guys. I don't want to get too close because if family does watch it, let me flip it around real quick. Excuse this vlog if it's all over the place. Today was quite an adventure. We were literally at each and every store, and every store that we went to, as I mentioned, they were packed, like really, really packed. I'm not sure if it's only me or anybody out there, but when there's a lot of people in the store, I just want to get out. Me dan ansias, like it gets me like, oh, I just want to get out. I don't like being around so many people. It's especially when it's so crowded, especially with this whole pandemic still going on. I just want to get out there. So that's why I didn't vlog too much in the store, because I wanted to get in there and get out. Normally I would vlog, but honestly, the holidays are here, you guys. Everybody's out and about shopping. I finished picking up some dinner about an hour ago. I got some KFC. I had a coupon for it, so I was like, you know what, let me go get it. We've been gone practically all day, you guys. Right now, it is already night. It's after 6, so it's about 6:30. Me and my princess has been gone all day. We wanted to wrap the gifts tonight, but we ended up feeling so tired. Today was just a long day for us. But we are not going to wrap the gifts tonight. Just going to relax. I am actually going to go downstairs and watch a movie with the family. They are waiting on me. You see, you guys, this is the outcome that's left over after eating a good, delicious dinner. I got to put those away right now. I just finished doing my tea. And if you guys are interested on what tea I do drink, it is this one. Let me get it real quick. The Earl Grey. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the vlog right now. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting me and even watching my videos or even clicking on my channel. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I pray that your days and nights are blessings beyond blessings. And always remember that God is real and God is good all the time, no matter what. God is good. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. And one more thing before I end it, you guys. I'm not sure what time this vlog is going to be up because I am about to edit it right now. When I am done, I asked all of you to please wish Bird Martinez a happy birthday. Her birthday is December 3rd. Let's celebrate her birthday. Let's wish her happy birthday. If you guys do send her a video, which that's what her husband and her children, if you guys could just please send a video to Instagram, but I'm doing it on my YouTube channel. I want to sing happy birthday. I do not have vocals, you guys, so I'm going to sing my best. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys for supporting their channel, to show them love, support. Thank you all. Alright guys, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bird Martinez. Happy birthday to you. Like the saying, she always says, mira que chulada. There you go. Happy birthday, mija. I pray for God to give you healing and strength to get stronger every day. You are a warrior. You are a queen. God bless the family. We love you guys. We're here for you. We're all my Bird Martinez fans at. Comment down below. Bird Gang Gang. Show love and support to their channel. And don't forget to wish her a happy birthday. Let me go ahead on and start editing this video. All right. Peace.